No two brides are the same. No two weddings are the same. No two bodies are the same. So why should one size fit all? Here at You Are Bespoke, I've helped hundreds of brides to look simply wonderful on their wedding day, with the confidence that comes from knowing the dress flatters their shape, complements their colouring, and suits their style. No gaping under the arms, no straining round the waist, the right length for the right shoes. And who says your dress has to be white? I'll work with you to make your dream dress a reality, whether it's for the bride, the bridesmaids, the flower girls, or for the most amazing prom night. Girly and flirty to funky and edgy, classically elegant to boho chic. You probably know what works for you and what doesn't, so why should you buy someone else's idea of your perfect dress? Discover You Are Bespoke today. Individuality, the true definition of style.